Hi guys, so are you ready to explore the incredible aromatic and comforting flavors of the Himalayas? Today we are bringing you a truly authentic taste of Nepal with our delicious Nepali style pork curry. This isn't just any pork curry, we are talking about succulent tender pieces of pork simmered slowly in a rich flavorful gravy that's packed with earthy spices and a hint of tang, and that unique zesty kick from authentic Nepali Timur. It's a hearty, wholesome dish that's incredibly satisfying, perfect for a cozy meal, especially with some steamed rice. Whether you have visited Nepal or experiencing that wonderful cuisine for the first time, this recipe is a must try. So grab your ingredients and get ready for a taste adventure. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoon mustard oil, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds or methi seeds, 4 green cardamom, 5 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and then fry the spices for a minute. Let all the spices nicely cook with mustard oil. Then add 500 grams pork belly cut in medium cubes. Make sure the size is something like this. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder and fry the pork until it is nice and crispy on the outside. Make sure it gets a nice crispy light brown layer. Fry it for about 10 minutes. Make sure the pork is something like this. As you can see, that has got a nice golden brown color. Then add some salt to taste. Add 3 onions chopped. Add 4 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Make sure that the onion gets a nice light brown caramelized color. As you can see that the onion is perfectly cooked, then give it a nice mix. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon meat masala, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the pork. Then add 3 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 1 cup water and cover it and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the oil separates and the curry gets nice and thick. Cook it for about 5 minutes. As you can see that the oil is separated on the surface. Then give it a final mix. So the Nepali style pork curry is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own deeply aromatic and incredibly satisfying Nepali style pork curry. Just look at that rich flavorful gravy and that tender succulent pieces of pork. This dish is a true taste of Nepali home cooking, bringing the unique earthy spices of Himalayas right to your table. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's a perfect for a hearty dinner, especially when served with a side of steamed rice. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow food adventurers, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more authentic recipes from our kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.